Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we will talk about Unit 6. This is the first unit in the second semester for grade 6, the school concert, and we studied it before. But now we will make a small revision about it. We look and make some exercises or make some question about it. But before this, let's revise it. In the first lesson, we talked about a conversation between the students. They are helping Mr. Khalid to clean up the music room for the concert, the school concert. And here they are talking also about a heavy instrument or musical instrument. This is a bass and it's a heavy musical instrument. Now let's turn to the second lesson. And here we talked about some musical instruments. Let's read it again. Please follow me. Tuba, flute, cymbals, drums, xylophone, electric keyboard, harp, cello, recorder, trumpet. And we studied all the meaning of these words before. In lesson 3, we talked about the difference between the adjective and the adverb, and we talked about the adjective to describe nouns and use the adverb to describe the action or the verb. And when we talked about the adverb, we talked about the irregular and regular adverb. And when we talk about regular adverb, we already add ly to the adjective, like the word bad, turn it to badly. Like the word sad, turn it to sadly. But here we also have some irregular adverbs, like the word good, turns to well, fast turns to fast. Okay, and in the lesson number 4, here we talked about how to make a question asking about the adverb using the word or the WH word how. And in the last lesson, we talked about the performance in the children's school. After this, let's have some question to revive this unit. We will start with the listening, and this is the first question in your exam. Here you have to listen and circle. We have here already more points. You have to listen to the circle and the question, but in the first and second one, you have only to circle the answer, and the third and fourth one you have to circle the question. But here we have only 2 points. Let's start with number 1. How did he play the harp? He played the harp sadly. The correct word or the correct answer is A. Yes, very good. Let's turn to number 2. Who was the soloist on the violin? Ahmed Fahmi was the soloist. So the correct answer is yes, A. And now let's turn to the second question. Choose the correct answer. You have here 4 choices. You have to choose from A, B, C, or D. Number 1, the tiger runs. Choose the correct answer. Slowly, badly, loudly, quickly. We already know that the tiger runs quickly. Yes, very good. Number 2, how did she? The trumpet. Here we talked before about how to make a question using the past simple tense, and here when we talk about the past simple and use the auxiliary verb that, we have to choose the base form or the infinitive. So how did she play the trumpet? Number 3, he is plowing the electric keyboard. No. Drums. No. Cello. No. Trumpet. Yes. So the correct answer is he is plowing the drums. All these 3 words we don't use our mouse. Okay, so the correct answer is trumpet. Number three, let's talk about this question, and this is an important question. You have to read and circle the odd word. After that, you have to replace it with the correct one. Here we have a group of words, the same except one word. Okay, let's see. Number one, eagle, tuba, symbols, harp. Here we find that the incorrect or the odd word is eagle, because all the three words are musical instruments. So the odd word is eagle, and we can here write any other musical instrument, like the word flute, xylophone, electric keyboard. Okay. Number two, sadly, loudly, badly, and quiet. The odd word is, yes, very good, quiet. The word quiet is the different word because it's an adjective and the three words are adverb. And here we can put any adverb. We can put ly to the adjective quiet and turn it to quietly. We can say happily. We can say it well. Number three, ran, chop, flew, hopped. The odd word is the word chop because this is a present or the base form, and ran, flew, hopped are the past simple form. So we can turn it to chopped. We can use any past simple verb. Let's turn it to another one, and this is rearrange these words to make a correct and meaningful sentence. Number one, concert, when, school, was. Here we have to make a question, and we talked about how to make a question before. Firstly, we have to put the WH question, and here the WH question is the word when, and we will continue it. So, when was the school concert? When was the school concert? Number two, trumpet, she will play it. This is a sentence, and here we have to start with the subject. So, she played trumpet well. Okay, and the last one, write a paragraph about this unit, the school concert, of 7 sentences. You can write 7 or more, but before this, you can look at this large scene. Look and try to describe what can you see at the school concert. Firstly, I can say last week was our school concert. It was our school concert. Okay. It was a beautiful school concert. It was a beautiful school concert. All of us used instruments. All of us used instruments. I played the violin. My teacher played the piano. My friend played the drums. My other friends played the xylophone. All of us were happy. It was a nice